Hello, my fellow Nigerians. At last, bail was granted to Naomi and others yesterday. My brothers and sisters, this is what is happening in Nigeria. Court grants 10 million naira bail to Ooni ex-wife, Naomi Shilekunwola and others. Naomi Shilekunwola, the former queen of the Ooni of Ife, has been granted bail by an Oyo State High Court sitting at Ring Road on Monday. The bail was also extended to Oriyomi Hamzat, a broadcaster and the chief executive officer of Agidigbo Radio FM in Ibadan, as well as Abdullahi Fasasi, the principal of Islamic High School. Justice K.B. Olawoyin, presiding over Court A8, delivered the ruling after a bail application was submitted by the counsel representing the trio. The judge sets 5 conditions for the bail, including a 10 million naira bond and 2 sureties who must provide landed documents within the court's jurisdiction. Additional conditions include the requirement for the applications to deposit their international passport with the court and a prohibition on granting any form of interviews during the course of the case. The defendants have been in prison custody since December 24 after their arrest by the police. The Oyo State government had filed 18 charges, including murder and manslaughter, against the trio over the December 18, 2024 Funfair stampede, which resulted in the death of more than 35 children. In the counts, the government accused the defendants of conspiracy to commit a felony to wit murder, manslaughter, conspiracy to commit an offense to wit criminal negligence and criminal negligence. While speaking to journalists, Oriyomi's counsel Adekunle Sobaloju revealed that the court had approved a bail application. Sobaloju said, "Well, what we did was we filed an application that he should be admitted to bail pending arraignment, and the application was argued today. The court listened to all the various arguments, and the ruling was reserved till the 13th of January. So, principally, we are saying that he ought to be admitted on bail based on the certain grounds, which I would not want to expatiate here. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Hey. So, in a related issue, this is what Naomi are saying. You see, they said, we have to do the needful on this issue. So, my brothers and sisters, we should know what we have to do. So this can't stop us from doing good. So this is what Naomi and others are saying. This can't stop us from doing good. Queen Naomi Shilekunwola and Oriyomi Hamzat, after being granted bail, Naomi Shilekunwola, the former wife of the Ooni of Ife, alongside Oriyomi Hamzat, owner of Agidigbo FM, and Abdullahi Fasasi, principal of Islamic High School in Bashorun, have been granted bail by the Oyo State High Court in Ibadan. The trio faced charges related to tragic stampede during a children's celebration in December 2024, which claimed the lives of at least 35 children. The court's decision was sparked widespread actions as the case continues to draw significant public attention. On Monday, Justice Kamarudin Olawoyin granted bail to Oriyomi Hamzat in the sum of 10 million with the conditions of providing 2 sureties. Additionally, the court issued an order barring his media station Agidigbo from broadcasting any news related to the case. The defendants, including Hamzat, presented their bail applications last Tuesday, arguing they posed no flight risk and we are committed to cooperating with the investigation. However, the Oyo State Attorney General and the Commissioner for Justice, Abiodun Aikomu, opposed the motion, citing the severity of the charges, and he need to ensure justice for the victims and their families. Adekunle Sobaloju, son, counsel to the Oriyomi Hamzat, expressed optimism about the court's ruling. We argued for his admission to bail pending arraignment based on certain grounds, which I prefer not to elaborate on, he said. The tragic stampede occurred during a festive celebration at Islamic High School, Bashorun, Ibadan, where overcrowding led to the deaths of over 35 children and several injuries. Governor Seyi Makinde of the Oyo State has emphasized the importance of justice for the victims, insisting that those responsible for the planning and managing the events face trial. However, he clarified that he does not oppose the bail granted to the accused. Despite the legal battles, Oriyomi Hamzat has maintained that his situation will not deter him from continuing his philanthropic work and helping others. Also, Naomi said he will still continue to be doing good to the needy. So, my brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, hear what some of our own are saying. He said, one says, so unfortunate that our judiciary has turned to something else. How can they collect 10 million naira from them and give them condition that they should not talk about it on radio? Wow. So, on top waiting, are they going to give it to the victim or what? You see, that can take more than 20 million, since you know that Nigeria, that is how Nigeria is. Hey, hold it there. You see, Nigeria, we should be careful on what we do and what we say. Have you condemned and argued for the prosecution of those responsible for the stampede? What happened the same week in Anambra before condemning the lady and calling for her head? Okay, those your leader killing several thousands and their life during the EndSARS, what did you do about it? Today, if you don't know what to say is better, you keep your mouth, says another one. My brothers and sisters, another one says, this same incident of a trampling occurred in 2 or 3 other states of Nigeria, and we didn't get to hear or any arrest or prison detention. Why is the case different in Oyo State, where the state governor Seyi Makinde is the chief prosecutor of the good-hearted sponsors of the event? Why is Seyi Makinde so much interested in this case? Is there more than meets the eyes in this case? Do Makinde and his government know more than the rest of us know about the incidents? My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on this issue of Naomi. Granted, they granted them bail now, but they are saying that with all this hardship, that they will sit to continue to help the needy. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.